Welcome. In front of me I have the Insta360 One RS, and today I'll just go over unboxing of this product and just a quick maybe visual comparison between the previous version of it. So anyway, let's just get straight to it. Now on the box we do have a couple informations that might be obviously useful. So we have a info about the dual winch sensors. So it is a 360, so it has obviously sensors, meaning cameras on both sides, kind of like the old one. You can see one on this side and one on the other one. So that's basically what it refers to. 21 megapixel 360 photos, 360 horizon lock, and that's actually a really neat feature. So you can kind of like wiggle it around and it will still keep the image straight on the video, which is fantastic. Super low light, IPX3 water resistance. That's kind of low, I think, so you might not want to get it anywhere close to water in actuality, but I might be wrong about this one. You might want to actually look into it specifically. Voice control, 6K 360 video, and that's actually a high resolution right there. And flow state stabilization. I'm not exactly sure what that is. Maybe if I look at it I will find out more. Invisible selfie stick. This is I've seen this actually a couple of times. It's a really neat feature where you can hold your selfie stick, record from a little bit of a distance, so you have a little bit more of a wider view of the shot, but the actual device itself, I believe, removes the stick and while it's recording, so it looks like you're not holding anything in your hand, which is really interesting to kind of see this. Anyway, we also have Hdr Photo. What's that? Interchangeable lenses. Ooh, would that mean that I can... It might mean that I might be able to apply something like this to it, which would be very interesting. Though this is from the previous version, which is like this one. So completely different build in terms of like the shape, so I wonder if it will actually fit on it. And lastly, auto edit. Okay, anyway, that's basically all we have right here. We have also a list of things that are included in the box, but that's kind of what the unboxing is for, so let's just pop it open. Okay. Now in here we get just the plastic, I guess, to keep this in place. I have to say I was expecting this to be a little bit smaller from like that front picture, as you can see. But this is actually quite a chunky little boy right here. I'm gonna put that right here, sideways. And then in here, I assume we're gonna have all the accessories. Little Peggy, whatever. Get some kind of cover. Not exactly sure for what just yet. Obviously we get a Type-C cable for charging. We get the cover, so it looks like it's the exact same thing as you have right here. Actually, out of curiosity, I'm gonna see if this one fits over this. But it looks like it's a little bit small. So they're not interchangeable. And in this case, this one will be bigger, so you probably want to, obviously if you have a previous one, utilize this one obviously. Yep, there we go. So you can see this one fits really well over this. What else is in here? Oh, just a clean cloth for the sensors and screen. And lastly, instructions, which I'll just keep in here. So there we go, that's basically all we get in the box. Now looking at this, I'm gonna bring the other one. Actually, let me just quickly maybe disassemble this. And there we go. So you can get a look at it, how it looks like by default. And so these are side by side. You can see that this one is significantly bigger. Now it still requires the app to actually, for some reason, use, which I don't really understand. Oh, there we go, look at that, that's me. So there we go. That's basically a little Insta360 right here. So anyway, oh, it just turned off anyway. So yeah, anyway, if you found this unboxing informative in any way, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.